Today I'm sharing a very simple stir-fried bean sprout dish that you can cook at home in less than 5 minutes. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of bean sprout, 70 grams of crispy fried anchovies. The recipe link is in the description box. 50 grams of spring onions, 1 red chili, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Let's cook. Heat the pan to high heat. Add in all the cooking oil and wait for the oil to get hot. This will take about 1.5 minutes. Once the oil is hot, add in all the chopped garlic. Stir fry for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. By this time, the garlic has released its fragrance and it's turning brown. Okay, the garlic is ready. Remove it from the pan and put it aside. Next, add in all the bean sprout, chili, and the oyster sauce. Give it a couple of mix to incorporate the ingredients. Add in all the spring onions and continue to stir for 1 more minute. See, it is so fast and easy. After 1 minute, the bean sprout should be crunchy and ready. Switch off the heat. There is a lot of gravy after bean sprout is cooked. Remove all the gravy from the pan. We want to prevent the bean sprout and anchovy from getting soggy from the gravy. The gravy can be served separately with the dish if you like. Next, add in the crispy anchovies. Leave a little for garnishing later on. Give it a mix until well combined. That is all. The delicious stir-fried bean sprout with crispy anchovy is ready. Let's dish out and serve. Sprinkle crispy fried anchovy and the crispy fried garlic. Wow, this looks really yummy. It's delicious with rice, or a perfect accompaniment with chicken rice or on its own. Let's try! Wow, delicious, tasty and flavorful. The bean sprouts are crunchy, matching well with the saltiness and crispiness of anchovies. So good! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!